Well, good day, everyone. This is the climatology for the Northern Rockies for May 2016. And we'll also peek into the forecast for this summer. This is the current drought monitor as of May 24th. If you recall, last summer into the fall, we were into the severe and extreme drought categories across much of the Northern Rockies. As you can see here, thanks to a little healthier precipitation this past winter and this spring, much of the drought across the region has been eradicated, with the exception of part of the Kootenai National Forest in northwest Montana and along Glacier National Park and the Continental Divide. Now, some of this drought actually may be removed over the next couple weeks thanks to some of the precipitation we had the last week of May. You can see here we had about 200% of normal precipitation along the Continental Divide, Glacier National Park, much of Flathead County, into parts of the Mission Valley as well. The rest of the region actually experienced right around near normal precipitation. Average temperature departure from normal. Here in northwest Montana, down into central Idaho, we were slightly above normal for temperatures, with near normal temperature readings in west central Montana, up through parts of the Continental Divide near Glacier National Park. Down in southwest Montana, we were slightly below normal for temperatures in the month of May. We'll dig in a little bit deeper to more specifics. Missoula was 91% of normal for precipitation. Kalispell was 158% of normal for precipitation. They had roughly 3 inches of rain, which is about 2 inches above normal up in northwest Montana and Kalispell. And Butte was somewhat dry, only 70% of normal precipitation. A little bit closer at our temperatures, Missoula was roughly 0.6 of a degree above normal for temperatures. Much of the warmer temperatures occurred at the beginning of the month. Kalispell was 1.6 degrees above normal, and Butte was slightly below normal at 0.8 degrees. The monthly temperature outlook for June. We're looking at high confidence for above normal temperatures in Washington, Oregon, and into Idaho and parts of northwest Montana. As you go further east, we're still looking at potential for above normal temperatures, but the confidence is not as high. Monthly precipitation outlook here in the bottom right calls for what we call equal chances, or equal chances for above, below, or near normal temperature or precipitation. As a reminder, June is our wettest month of the year, and we average a little bit over an inch of rainfall. Now, as we get into the seasonal outlooks for June, July, and August, in the top left, you see our temperature potential for the summer calls for above normal temperatures along the west coast, and still above normal temperature forecasts for the Northern Rockies and the Great Basin, though the confidence is not as high. In June, July, and August seasonal precipitation outlook, there's not a lot of confidence whether or not we're going to receive above, below, or near normal precipitation this summer. Summers generally are hard to account for precipitation potential due to the convective nature of things. So that's it for our climatology for the month of May, and a little bit of an outlook for the summer. For more information for the Northern Rockies and climate, you can contact the National Weather Service in Missoula at noaa.gov/Missoula. Sorry, that's a little bit hard to read. Or you can call us at 406-329-4840. Hope everyone has a great day.